In this video, I will show you how to make this crocheted mini skirt for your doll. Let's get started. To make this skirt, you will need lace cotton yarn. I use Melissa Perle number 8, 2 mm crochet hook, scissors and needle, and also an elastic band. Mine is 1 inch, so 2 centimeters and half of diameter in similar color than your yarn. We will work from the bottom of our skirt. So first make a slip knot and we will make a chain of 60. Okay, I made a chain of 60 and right now I will make a slip stitch into the first chain I made. So try to not twist your chain too much. Enter here into the first chain. Okay, and just make a slip stitch because from now we will work in rounds. Okay, now chain 2, yarn over, insert into the same stitch where you made a slip stitch into the first chain and make a double crochet. Okay, it's a little bit tricky. Here it is. This chain of 2 in the beginning we will not count as a stitch. So this will be this double crochet will be our first stitch of this round, number 1. And we will just make 1 double crochet in each chain to the end to have a total of 60 double crochet. So just keep going and in a moment I will show you what to do next. I've just made my double crochet number 60. This is how it looks like and I will enter here where the first double crochet is and make a slip stitch. Okay, so we have this kind of circle right now. Now chain 2, again we will not count this as a stitch, and starting from this first stitch we will make another round of double crochet and we will just repeat this round number 2, so chain 2 and make double crochet all over. In the end make a slip stitch in this first double crochet and continue working like this until desired length. In a moment I will show you how many rounds I did for my mini skirt. So again, when you come to the end, make a slip stitch in the first double crochet, chain 2 and start another round. I'm after round number 9. This is how my piece looks like. It has about 4 centimeters and half of long, so it's about 1 inch 3/4, and for me it's enough because I want to make a very short mini skirt, but obviously if you want to make it longer just make more rounds. And right now I will chain 1. I will make a single crochet this time in this very first stitch, so here. But in the next one I will make a decrease. So I will enter here, take my yarn to the next one, and now I will pull through all 3. Okay, so I made a decrease and I will work like this all this round. In my case it's round number 10. So in the next stitch I will make a single crochet and in the next one I will make a decrease. Okay, one more time, single crochet in the next one and a decrease from next 2 ones. Okay, so just continue working like this all over to the end of this round. I am finishing this round. I will make the last decrease. So right now instead of 60 stitches we have 40, and I will make a slip stitch in the first single crochet I've made. So right now, as you can see, it already looks like a skirt. Now I will chain one and I will take my elastic band. Okay, and this next round, in my case 11, I will work a single crochet but closing this elastic band inside. So first, take your hook and insert it into the first stitch. Put the elastic band on the hook, take your yarn and just make a single crochet. So as you can see, the band is inside. Again, insert into the next stitch, elastic band on the top, take your yarn and make a single crochet. Okay, and just keep working like this, closing this elastic band inside all over. As you can see elastic band through stitches. It will be a little bit better because, as you can see, this elastic band is much smaller if you don't stretch it as the diameter right now of our skirt. So just keep working, and in a moment I will show you how to finish our skirt. After every few stitches you can push them a little bit so you will keep covering the band. I came to the end of this round and now I will just make a slip stitch into the first single crochet I made, and this is how it looks like. If you watched my other skirt tutorials, you know that I used to make one more round here of single crochet because I like this a little bit ruffled edge on the waist, but this time I really like how it turned out, so I will just leave it like this. So here I will just chain one, cut my yarn, weave in these two ends, and that's it. Our little skirt is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more tutorials for Barbie dolls, and see you next time.